we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGT. Hey, don't you know, it's partly built.
Alright guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday, July 4th, so happy Independence Day to all our Southern brothers. Go freedom. Alignment's happening today, so I gotta get the back tires bolted on, I'll torque them up, and then the front tires are actually coming with the guy that's doing the alignment. So when he gets here, I'll get the front tires on, get them torqued up, we'll roll it off the hoist onto a decent spot on the floor, and see if we can't get the alignment done. But in the meantime, I'm gonna probably check a few things. Maybe put some more seam sealer on, start with the sound deadener on the inside, and put the driver's seat in so that I can back it up and out. Yeah, but it looks like Josh did some cleaning and sweeping in here, or Kyle did, I'm not sure. So it's actually nice and clean in here. But I'm gonna get after it. I'm gonna get these back tires bolted on, set it down a little ways, vacuum out the interior, and start laying some sound deadener. Alright, so we got the back tires on and torqued. We just set the back glassing because we were seeing if the rubber's any good, but we got to get all new window rubber for it and the side glass, so we're going to have to order something there. I got all the sound deadening that I care about doing put inside. Oh, if I could ever get the seat to move, oh well. I got the box all sound deadened. I put a ton on the floor. Most of the passenger side, all but the footwell on the driver's. I got both seats in. I got some more water put in it, so we're still trying to bleed out the air. I've still got water in it, so I'm going to keep topping that up. Once Tanner gets here to do the alignment and brings the tires, we'll get the front tires on, and we'll back her out, well, onto some flat-ish ground. Get the rear end aligned, and then I guess I still got to adjust headlights, but that, who cares when that happens? We can do that on the road for all that matters. But yeah, we still got to order window rubbers, so we got to get on that right away because we got just over 2 weeks, like 2 weeks in a day. Yeah. So yeah, that's the point we're at now. We'll get back to you when we get the alignment done and go for a drive here. Well, the alignment's done, or done enough to try anyway. Tires and suspension are tight. We gotta take the cap ends off the front lug nuts too, but should work. What? Oh, rubs a little. It definitely doesn't track like it did before, so I think we're good there. I can hear the fenders rub though. We tried rolling them, but they're going to need more rolling and probably a cut. They're just too close to the tires. It sounds good from here, I'll give it that. I wonder, I'll have to ask him what the speedometer's doing, if it's working proper. Having some fun anyway. Every bump you can hear that fender rub. It's noisy, I'll give it that. Just hot rodding back and forth. Having fun. It rubs a little by the sound of it.
Oh yeah.
But it sounds like a little bit of fun.
It is.
All right, let's this is my first ride in this car. The neighbors must love you.
Oh, I bet.
All right, let's see if this works. Here's an idea.
Too hard.
Just put it in drive.
Yeah.
Speedometer works.